All right, let's jump into this next section, networking and community engagement. Now, you might be wondering, why does networking matter in software development? Well, here's the thing. Coding isn't just about writing lines of code alone in a dark room. It's also about connecting with others, learning from them, collaborating on ideas, and growing together. In this part of the training, we're going to talk about how getting involved in the tech community can really boost your skills, open up job opportunities, and keep you motivated. Whether it's through online forums, local meetups, open source projects, or just chatting with fellow learners, building connections is a huge part of becoming a successful developer. Let's take a closer look at how you can start engaging with the community, even as a beginner.
This training is part of the EU-funded Code4Future project. The project is coordinated by Gent GmbH in collaboration with L4Y Learning for Youth GmbH and Seyhan Danışment Gazi Anadolu Lisesi. Stay tuned for more coding content from this initiative. You can find more resources through the link provided in the description.
So, before we dive deeper, let's take a quick look at what we'll be focusing on in this section. We have two main objectives here. First, we want to understand how to do personal networking. This means learning how to connect with people in the tech space, whether that's classmates, mentors, colleagues, or even people you meet online. Personal networking is all about building real human connections that can help you grow and open up opportunities. Second, we'll explore the benefits of community engagement. When you participate in tech communities, whether that's through meetups, Discord groups, or open source contributions, you're not just learning from others, you're also building a support system. It helps you stay updated, stay motivated, and feel like you're part of something bigger. So by the end of this section, you'll have a better idea of how to start networking and why getting involved in the community can really make a difference in your journey as a developer. Let's get into it. Let's talk about why networking and community engagement really matter. A lot of people think networking is only useful when you're looking for a job, but it's actually much more than that. It's about building a community around you. That includes mentors, coworkers, and even friends, people who can support you, give you advice, share their knowledge, and maybe even open doors to new opportunities in the future. This community can become your go-to place when you're stuck on a problem, need career guidance, or just want to talk to someone who gets what you're going through. So, don't think of networking as just something professional or formal. Think of it as surrounding yourself with a group of people who want to see you succeed and who you can also help along the way. That's what makes it so powerful. Let's take a closer look at the benefits of getting involved in the tech community. There are 3 big ones to keep in mind. First, we have skill development. When you're active in a community, whether it's online or in person, you get the chance to learn new things. Maybe you join a coding challenge, contribute to an open source project, or just pick up tips from others. These experiences help you grow your skills in a real-world way. Second is insights into industry best practices. By talking with professionals and joining groups or partnerships, you start to see how things are done in the real tech world. You learn how teams work, what tools they use, and what good code or processes look like. It's like getting a sneak peek into how the pros do it. And third, project opportunities. Being engaged in a community can lead to new collaborations and sometimes even funding for your own ideas. It's a great way to find people who share your interests and who might want to build something together. In short, the more involved you are, the more doors you open for learning, growing, and creating exciting new projects. Now, let's look at some of the most common types of communities you can get involved in as a developer. First up is Discord. Discord is a great place for casual and real-time communication. You'll find tons of servers dedicated to coding, tech, and learning. You can join voice chats, ask questions, share resources, or just hang out with people who are also learning to code. It's friendly, active, and easy to use. Next, we have GitHub. GitHub is where developers host and collaborate on real software projects. It's a great platform to share your own work, contribute to open source, and build your portfolio. Being active on GitHub shows that you're not just learning, you're applying what you know. And finally, Stack Overflow. This one's like a giant Q&A hub for developers. Got a problem? Someone's probably already asked it, and someone else has answered it. You can also contribute by answering questions, or just learn by browsing through the discussions. It's a great place to level up your skills. So as you can see, there are different types of communities depending on what you're looking for: chat, collaboration, learning, or project building. And that wraps up the first part of this chapter. I hope you found it helpful so far. But we're not done yet. There's more to explore. In the next part, we'll continue diving deeper, so be sure to check it out. See you there.